In this tutorial, I will teach you how to do a Dutch fishtail waterfall braid. This is a more advanced braid. Take a small section of hair and divide this into 2 strands. Take a small section from the front strand, cross this under the front strand and add it to the back strand. Then take a small section from the back strand, cross this under the back strand and add it to the front strand. Then take another small section from the front strand. First add some hair to it, and then cross the section under the front strand and add it to the back strand. From the back strand you'll only take a small section and cross it under. You are not adding in any hair. Now create your first waterfall strand. Take a small section of hair from the top and cross this under the back strand and over the front strand. Then drop this section. From now on you start repeating. Take a small section from the front strand and add some hair to it. Then cross the section under and add it to the back strand. Take a small section from the back strand, but don't add in any hair. Cross the strand under the back strand immediately. Then create another waterfall strand. Take a small section of hair from the top and cross this under the back strand and over the front strand. Then drop the section. Keep repeating this. Take a small section from the front strand, add hair and cross it under. Then take a small section from the back strand, don't add in hair and cross it under. Then create your waterfall strand. Keep repeating this as long as you like. Here I'm creating my last waterfall strand. Then I'm adding in hair one last time before I start doing a normal Dutch fishtail braid. On both sides I'll cross a small section of hair under. If you like, check out my tutorial on a Dutch fishtail braid. I'm finishing off the braid with a small elastic. If you like, you can pull a little on your waterfall strands. I chose to secure the braid to the head with some bobby pins. Take a section of hair, lift this up and then secure the braid with some bobby pins. Then use the hair to cover it up, so you won't see the bobby pins anymore. This is the finished look. Please share your pictures on Instagram with the hashtag MVLhair and follow my account.